With a dash cam, you'll be able to keep an eye on the road, record any accidents that occur, and more. In this video, I'll be going over the 5 best dash cam front and rear models that you can buy this year. These cams will provide you with the protection and peace of mind you need while on the road. So let's get started and take a look at the top 5 dash cams available this year. Number 5. Sameuo E700 Dash Cam. The Sameuo E700 Dash Cam is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful car DVR camera. With its advanced Novatech CPU and Sony sensor, the front and inside camera capture a wide 170-degree angle, and the 360 degrees free rotation allows for footage to be captured from all directions. Number 4. Azdome M300S. The Azdome M300S car recorder is a great choice for anyone looking for a quality dash cam. With 4K plus 1080p resolution, dual cameras, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and 6-glass wide-angle lens, you can capture clear, high-quality road information both during the day and night. The GPS will record your driving route, position, speed, longitude, and latitude, all of which can be seen in the videos. Number 3. Azdome M550. The Azdome M550 channel dash cam is a revolutionary device that allows you to record crystal clear 4K videos with its 6-glass wide-angle lens and proprietary focal length technology powered by the Novatech 96670 chipset processor. With this built-in wide dynamic range technology, you can capture optimum lighting and image details even in bright and dark conditions. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor, motion detection, loop recording, and time-lapse video to save memory. Additionally, its GPS tracking feature allows you to track your driving route, while its built-in Wi-Fi and Azdome app lets you access the dash cam with your mobile device. All in all, this 4K dash cam video recorder is the perfect device to record real-time vehicle conditions and beautiful sceneries while driving your car. Number 2. 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus a 500S. The 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus a 500S is an incredible car dash cam that offers outstanding image quality with a resolution of 2592*1944. It is equipped with Sony IMX335 image sensor and monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. It also has built-in G sensor to detect sudden shakes or collisions and will start recording automatically. It supports time-lapse recording to compress 30 minutes of footage into 1 minute. Moreover, the 70mm app supports both iOS and Android systems and allows you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dash cam's Wi-Fi. All in all, this is an amazing car dash cam that is highly recommended. Number 1. 70mm Omni X200 360 degrees Full View Dash Cam. The 70mm Omni X200 360 degrees Full View Dash Cam is an amazing piece of technology that is perfect for any driver looking for a comprehensive dash cam solution. The camera's 340 degrees swivel design, 140 degrees FOV, and minimized distortion allow for a 360 degrees no blind spot full view, ensuring that no suspiciousness around your vehicle goes unseen. The camera also features PureCell Plus S HDR technology that delivers best-in-class low-light performance and automatically corrects exposure levels. Additionally, the 4G hardwire kit ensures that you get notifications via the app if a collision or suspicious incident appears, so you never miss any noteworthy events. Overall, this is an excellent dash cam that will provide you with peace of mind and comprehensive coverage.